When a person is disrespectful, do they respect you? They continually do things that they know bothers or upsets the other person. They don't consider the other person when making decisions that influence both parties. They don't introduce them to others, and they don't act like this is a person of value in their life. They try to control the other person's behavior, where they go, what they do, and who they do it with. And they don't care how any of it affects that person or makes them feel. They disregard their feelings and do whatever they want, without stopping to think how what they are doing might affect or impact that person's life. They continually lie and or are disloyal. Don't worry about the family that ignores you and acts like you don't matter. Love the ones who are always there for you. If people don't make an effort to be in your life, don't try so hard to be in theirs. It's not worth it. You ever notice that sometimes people blame you for what went wrong rather than admit that they had any part of it? Some people aren't loyal to you, they are loyal to their need of you. Once their needs change, so does their loyalty. A narcissist doesn't break your heart, they break your spirit. That's why it takes so long to heal. Never cry for the person who hurts you, just smile and say, "Thank you for giving me a chance to find someone better than you." Choosing not to be involved in your child's life, neglecting them, and then playing victim must be some sort of a mental illness. Narcissists are addicts. When they can't get attention and drama from you, they will seek a hit somewhere else. Affairs, gambling, shopping, drugs, alcohol, pornography, etc. Facts about narcissists: they ghost you, betray you, replace you, and then of all things smear you and tell how horrible you are and twist facts. Rewrite history and play the victim. They kick you while you are down and enjoy seeing your pain on a sadistic level. The narcissist and money. His money is his money. Your money is his money. His mom's money is his money. His boss' money is his money. It's all his. Anyone who calls you jealous when they are cheating on you is toxic, manipulative, abusive, and personality disordered. If they lie to their own child, they'll lie to anyone. Narcissists treat you like shit because they are completely dependent on others for validation and approval, which increases how insecure and vulnerable they feel. So they attempt to level the playing field by devaluing and discarding the very people they seek approval from in an attempt to feel less insecure and less vulnerable. The narcissist only knows two kinds of people: the ones the narcissist uses and exploits, usually their own family members, such as their children, spouses, and generally anybody who loves or cares for the narcissist. Second, the ones the narcissist desperately tries to impress and copy, people who have things the narcissist themselves desires, such as money, power, status, etc. Narcissists don't apologize because they think that time will make you forget. They think ignoring what they did means it didn't happen. They believe whatever they did wrong is ultimately your fault. They don't think you deserve one. They have every intention of doing it again. Narcissists have zero comprehension of what they have done to you and firmly believe they are the victim that you have treated them terribly. A narcissist will provoke you to get a reaction out of you so they can blame it all on you. Never try and defend yourself against a narcissist. They already know you are right. They just want you to go crazy trying to prove it. A jealous family member is more dangerous than a hateful enemy. मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।